Hey y'all, today I'm gonna make some shea butter. I've run out of run out of shea butter, so today I'm gonna make some. I have my rice cooker running here. I know. If you like my videos, you have to hit subscribe because that's the only way to find out when I post a new video for this 1 year of Ayurveda challenge. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Trying something a little different where I actually have set up my rice cooker. I have my bowl here because ingredients, some of them need to be heated. So like for example, my pure shea butter actually is very hard, and I also have some coconut oil that I made. But anyway, so yeah, this is the shea butter here. I have the cocoa butter, some pure cocoa butter that I purchased, and then I also have my oils here. So I have almond oil, castor oil, and grapeseed oil here as well. I'm also going to add a little bit of black seed oil to this shea butter mix. Okay, and then I have my jar here that I'm going to add everything to when I'm finished. And yep, here's my coconut oil that I made. I did a recipe on this coconut oil, how to make coconut oil from canned coconut milk. So I have the coconut oil here. It's solid for at room temperature because at room temperature coconut oil is solid, right? If it's cold, at least, the warmer it gets, that will be a liquid. If you're allergic to coconut oil, please feel free to replace it with olive oil. So I'm going to get this set up. My bowl is very warm from having the rice cooker set up right now. It's actually bubbling there. I didn't feel like using a pot today, so I just pulled out my rice cooker. I'm going to throw my ingredients in there, and then I'm going to whip it all up. And one thing I'm going to add that's very different, I'm going to add some of my powders left over from my Ayurvedic oil. That is going to be a very exciting addition. I'm going to try this out for the first time, and I hope you guys like it and try it out too. I got this idea from Natural Barnett. I want to say thank you. All right, so I'm going to add some of my cocoa butter. Okay, so far I have cocoa butter, I have the shea butter. I am going to add the coconut. This is the coconut oil that I made. I made it from canned coconut milk. Check the recipe out. I will leave a link below so you could try it out too. It smells so good. It smells just like coconut. So if you like that coconut smell, you can add it to your shea butter. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can blend this up, and then I'm going to add my oils. So this is the consistency I was able to get it to. So it's still a little bit too light because the mixture is a little bit warm. So I'm going to leave it in the fridge to set for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to whip it again and add my oils, okay? So I'm going to add a tablespoon of this to my oil as well. And some of you might be wondering what is in this mix. I'm not going to add the fenugreek seeds at the bottom. I'm only going to skim from the top, get some of a little bit of this oil, but mostly this powder. And this has been infusing, y'all, I think maybe 2 months. So this is so rich and it's so potent. These are just a few of the things that I have in it. I have MSM, castor oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, some sesame oil, moringa, grapeseed oil, rose powder, cassia, neem, amla, a little bit of shikakai, a little bit of black seed oil as well. This is my Ayurvedic. Oh, it also has some henna in it too, which you can add. Feel free to add some henna to your oils as well. So y'all, this Ayurveda oil is very powerful. You see this powder here? Very rich. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of that to my shea butter mix as well. Alright, I'm back with the shea butter that I'm making. It's a lot more solid than before. I just needed it to firm up a little bit. I'm going to add some oils. So I'm going to add some almond oil, some castor oil, and some grapeseed oil to this mix. You will find the full recipe for this shea butter Ayurveda blend in the description box below. Okay, so this is the shea butter that I have so far, and I'm going to just fold in some of this Ayurveda oil. Let's just get a scoop. Really try not to get the fenugreek seeds. Because I have henna, I'm not going to use metal for this portion of the tutorial. I'm only going to use plastic. Alright, so I think I have about enough here. I'm going to add this to my mix and just fold it in. Look at that rich, gooey. Ooh. This has been soaking for a while, guys, so all this is so rich. So this is a great way to reuse some of your powders as well, rather than throwing it out. And I also showed you another way on how to use your powders in your hair so that you get maximum benefits of your ingredients that you use rather than throwing away anything. So now I'm just gonna fold this in. Sorry, y'all, I added some more. Oh my god, I added a little bit more of the powders. I really do think this will take your shea butter to another level. I eventually just added all the powders that I had left over in my jar and I put it into my shea butter. So it's up to you if you want to go this far, but I want to encourage you to share this video if you found it helpful. And I want to know from you, will you add Ayurveda powders left over from your growth oil? Let me know in the comments below.